Hello friends, good morning. Today we will revise the grammar topic simple present tense and simple past tense for class 5th and 6th with some exercise. So let's start the revision of grammar topic simple present tense and simple past tense. Hello friends, today we will learn about the use of present and past, simple present and simple past tense. First we use the simple present tense, that means verb 1 plus SES for things that are true in general or for things that happen all the time or sometimes. Here in this picture we can say that they are looking at books. They read a lot. Second, she is eating ice cream. She likes ice cream. Here we use main verb with the pronoun they because they is used as a plural pronoun, and with the pronoun I, we, you, they or plural noun we use the main verb with that pronoun. We use the verb plus s or es as when the pronoun he, she, it or singular noun is given as the subject. We use verb 1 for I, you and the plural subject. We use verb 1 plus SES for the singular subject, like Lucy lives in London. Her parents lives in Scotland. I love to play cricket. My mother loves to play tennis. Some tips is used for spelling. We add es to verb ending with s, sh, ch as like pass. Here the verb ends in s, so we use here passes. Add es like pass, that we use here es that makes passes, passes. Finish, here the verb ends in sh, so we add here es that makes finishes. So the verb change when we use that with he, she, it and singular noun like finish, finishes, finishes. Watch, watch. Here the verb ends in ch, watch. When we use this verb in simple present tense with the pronoun he, she, it or singular noun that makes as watch is, watches. That means when the verb end with es, with the verb ending with s, ch, we add es in es to the end of the word. We add ies to verbs ending with y, add and take away the y, like try. We use here tries, tries. Fly. We remove y and add ies in place of y, like fly, flies, flies. Study. We remove y and use studies, ies, studies. When this verb are used with he, she, it or singular noun. Not the use of always, never, often, sometimes, usually with simple present tense, like my sister never drinks milk. I usually go to school by bus. He always arrives late at work. We often meet them in the park. We sometimes give our dog fish to eat. That means we use the words always, never, often, sometimes, usually with simple present tense. That means we identify the sentence of simple present tense with the word always, never, often, sometimes, usually, etc. etc. For negative sentence, for negative sentence and questions in the simple present tense, we use the helping verb do or does with verb 1, like do you drink coffee? No, I don't drink coffee. Here we use to with helping verb. We use helping verb do with verb 1, drink. No, I don't drink coffee. Does your brother play tennis? No, he doesn't play tennis. He plays cricket. We use the past simple past tense verb to describe the past action or an action that happened regularly in the past, as it rained heavily last night. He left for Delhi last Monday. I cleaned my teeth this morning. We enjoyed the party last night. My uncle always sent me gift on my birthdays. My grandpa went for long walks every morning. Here, last night, last Monday, this morning, last night, my birthday, every morning, and the verb rained, left, cleaned, enjoys, sent, went. All these indicates simple past tense. To make the tips of spelling. Some verbs don't take ed in the past form. We call them irregular verbs, not the past form of the following verbs, like began, begin, 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 and their past form is began. Break, that past form is broke. Bring, that is brought. Build, built. Buy, bought. Catch, caught. Forget, forgot. Get, got. Give, gave. Go, went. Have, had. Hear, heard. Hear, heard. Know, knew. Do, did. Live, left. Know, knew. Drink, drank. Loss, loss. L-O-S-E, loss, lost. Eat, ate. Make, made. Fall, fell. Meet, met. Find, found. Fly, flew. Pay, paid. Ring, rang. Say, said. See, show. Sell, sold. Sit, sat. Sleep, sleeps. Speak, spoke. Stand, stood. Take, took. Teach, taught. Tell, told. Think, thought. Win, won. Write, wrote. For negative and questions in simple past tense, we use helping verb did with verb 1. Like, did you see Jack yesterday? Here we use see with the helping verb did. No, I didn't see him anywhere. Where did your brother go for a holiday? He didn't go anywhere. He stayed at home. Now we will solve some exercise like 1. Complete the sentences. Use the present simple present form of the given verb. Like first, Lucy dash for languages. Here the verbs are boil, closes, coast, meet, open, know, teach, wash. Here for languages is not boil, not close, not coast, not meet, not open. Only know and teach. Here we use the verb know, but here we use the present form of simple present form of verb. Here we use verb 1 and plus s or es or ies add. Lucy, here the verb ends in w, so we use only s. Lucy knows for languages. Nisha dash her hair twice a week. Here Nisha, we use here wash. Wash, the verb ends in ss, so we add at the end of the verb es. Nisha washes her hair twice a week. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This shop open at 9 in the morning. Here we use main verb because shops indicates plural noun. So we use here main verb with a plural noun because we use with the pronoun I, we, you, they, and plural noun the main verb. Okay, so this shop open at 9 in the morning. I like my job. I dash a lot of people daily. I meet a lot of people daily. Our office dash at 5 o'clock in the evening. Our office closes at 5 o'clock in the evening. Here we use the verb which ends in s or es because 5 o'clock in the evening indicates daily activity. Miss Rina is a teacher. She teaches mathematics. She teaches mathematics. Medicines are expensive. They cost a lot of money. Now, exercise number 2. Put the verbs in the correct form of positive or negative. I don't my job. It is very boring. Here, the things which is boring, it's also every person do not like that. Here, the job is very boring, so we use here I don't like. I don't like my job. It is very boring. Your story is not true. Here, not true indicates negative meaning. So we use the verb. We use don't plus main verb. Here, believe. Here, the verb believe is given. So we use don't believe. Your story is not true. I don't believe it. Where's Martin? I'm sorry. I don't know. Here, sorry indicates the negative words, the opposite meaning. So we use here I don't know. Where's Martin? I'm sorry. I don't know. Nina is a talkative girl. She talks much. My mother is a vegetarian. She does not eat meat. Here, the vegetarian person does not like the meat. So here we use does not eat. My mother is a vegetarian. She does not eat meat. That is a beautiful picture. That is a beautiful picture. I like it very much. 7. Keshav drinks a lot of cake. It is his favorite drink. Keshav tastes a lot of coke. It is favorite drink. Here we use drink, positive verb drink. Keshav drinks a lot of coke. It is his favorite drink. Now put the words in the right order to make sentences in the present simple present tense. Use the proper form of the verbs also. Always late, Sonu comes. Sonu always comes late. Subject, verb and object or also the other words. Here Sonu always comes late. Here always indicates simple present tense. Sonu always comes late. Basketball I play often. Here often indicates simple present tense, and we use main verb with the pronoun I. I often play basketball. Work, Margaret, hard, usually. Here usually also indicate simple present tense, and we use first subject to make a sentence. Here subject is Margaret and usually. Then we use walks. Margaret walks hard. Usually works hard. WORKS. Margaret usually works hard. Like candies, children usually. Here usually also indicates simple present tense, and we use main verb with the plural noun. Children usually like candies. Children usually like candies. Jenny always nice clothes wear. Here always indicate simple present tense. So we use the verbs which ends in S with the subject Jenny, because Jenny indicates singular noun. Jenny always wears nice clothes. Television, my grandpa watch never. My grandpa never watch is television. Here never indicate simple past tense. My grandpa is a subject, television is the object, and the verb ends in CH, so we add here ES. My grandpa never watches television. Now question number 4. Exercise number 4. Complete the dialogues using simple present tense of the given word. What do you do? I work in a bookshop. Do you like your job? Here the sentence ends in question, so it indicates a simple questions like, do you like your job? It is okay. What time do you leave for work? What time do you leave for work? Leave means to go from the house. What time do you leave for work? At 9 in the morning. At 9 in the morning. Dash on Saturday. Do you work on Saturdays? Here the answer is sometimes. Sometimes I work on Saturday. How do you go to work? Usually by bus. What time do you come back? What time do you come back? When do you come back? In the evening. At 6 in the evening. Okay, my dear, I hope that we have learned simple present tense and simple past tense with example, with exercise, and I hope that you will write down all this exercise in your notebook. Thank you very much.